Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete posts on TikTok. So make sure you follow this video to the end and follow these steps. So first, we will need just to open our TikTok application so we can delete our posts. I'm going to access my account. Then you will need just to click on your profile and here we will find our post. So now I'm going to create a post as a demonstration. I'm just going to create a text post so we can delete this one. I will delete you and then I will need just to change anything. I will remove the song from it, post to feed, and I'm having my post that is deleted. So I'm just going to access this post. I'm just going to click on X. Here we need just to click on this 3 points icon. We will find this toolbar here. I will need just to click on delete. Click on delete. Now we need to confirm our choice. After confirming delete, you will have your post that will be deleted. And of course, if you don't want to delete but still you want others not to see your post, you can make it as private and you will need just to go here, privacy settings, and just make only me and now your post will be private and you will find it here in your private posts and you can delete this after if you like or just leave it. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.